status update on our 2009 Ford Fusion. I made some videos earlier today, some time lapses of pulling off all the fenders and the hood we did the other night. Got both sides of the fenders off. Was also able to pull the broken fan. I don't know if you can see that, but there was a fan on the other side of this that was all busted to pieces. I got that pulled out. The car starts and runs and drives. Pulled it in here, in and out of here like 2 or 3 times. I backed it in a little bit ago because the sunlight is better lighting than if I had it pulled in the garage and was filming over there. So backed it in to have better video. But as for now, we got all the fenders off, the wheel wells off. The wheel wells are good. There's a bunch of parts and pieces that are still good that we're gonna be able to use. Just a bunch of the major parts we're gonna have to go pick up, and I'm guessing it's only gonna be a couple $100 worth of parts, and we'll have it put back together until we can actually drive it on the street. So I'm gonna play those time lapses and enjoy. Got the hood off, which is awesome. Makes me happy. But now we got all this work to do. We gotta jack it up. We gotta take these fenders off. Mainly just because the fenders are damaged here, and we could probably pick these fenders up for fairly cheap from LKQ. We got our radiators we gotta pull off. We got a bunch of these plastic little clips up in here. I don't know if you can see them. Where's one at? Oh, there's one. These ones right here. I've been using needle nose pliers, but it takes forever. So I'm gonna make a little tool out of a putty knife to make this easier. So this should make it easier to pop these clips off. We got our little clip popping tool now. Some drywall on it, but it'll be alright. Let's see if it works. A lot easier than using the needle noses. It's like perfect. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, or if you hated it, whatever. Just give it a thumbs up, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification if you want to see the next video where we take off the radiator and the rest of the broken parts. We didn't have time to get to the radiator today because sun was going down and it was getting cold, and that's gonna be on the next video. And we'll probably try to go pick up the parts to rebuild the car in the next video. So if you haven't, subscribe, like, share, do whatever you gotta do. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.